Hello, David here again at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Nice, beautiful, sunny day. This just came in, a 2023 Solstice by Harris 25 foot. Performance level 3.5, 27-inch pontoons with the dolphin nose cone, flip up cleats, dock lights, the new emblem, ebony metallic, the black metallic flake with a white diamond accent, saltwater edition, solid keel down the pontoons, power ion tower above my head with speakers. We're going to touch on that when we get up at the helm. We have rear fencing right here for the single lounger. Stereo controls, I could reach here from the water if I had to. Also onboard charger we could plug in right there from the dock if we had to. Flip up cleats, extended swim platform, swim seat aft, Mercury 300 Ferrado. This is the new style Mercury engine where you can access everything from the top. We'll get on board and show you the rest. We moved up on deck on the aft of the boat, plenty of space. You can board on or off, even with the rail system here. You can see there's spots for fenders that slip right in. This is the single lounger layout. We have a nice lounge sun pad right here. We can lounge out like this. Of course, our backrest is going to move. Over here we have stereo controls, charge ports, USB ports as well. On the port side we have a built-in cooler that does drain below. Speakers facing aft to entertain our guests in the back. The single lounger has this backrest. 3 positions. For the seat cushion in the weather. So we have a 45-degree. We'll also go all the way flat. There's storage underneath both seats. This will also lounge up. So you can be lounging facing forward. 3 positions as well. Show you some more features once we get up farther into the boat. Okay, we move farther into the cockpit. We're actually inside the boat right now. This is a single lounger EC. So when you're building a boat online, you'll see SLEC. EC stands for Entertainment Center. Over here we have our cup holders, our charge ports in the pockets. We have a built-in refrigerator right here, runs off the house battery. We have a water pump for a sink that's up here. This does drain below. I also have a flip-up table on the Solstice. Makes this access as well, another table spot. This folds down for nice easy. We have our change house with storage underneath. So I come forward, that white diamond accent we mentioned, you can see it on the interior. Actually pulls the exterior of the boat into the interior. If you notice the two-tone on the seats, more cup holders, more charge ports, more speakers. Every seat is hinged with plenty of storage underneath. Of course, our gate in the bow, our in-floor storage. Coming around the starboard side, we're going to come right up to the helm here. The helm is raised. If you notice, the sea deck that's on the raised helm matches the same platform in the stitching as the seats on the interior. We also have the white accent on the seat with the gray, moonlight gray. Our tilt steering. Our JL audio system. The JL audio system on this boat has the tower speakers, 2 subwoofers, 3 amplifiers, 8 speakers. It is absolutely amazing, the sound quality and the volume you can get out of it. We have our large Simrad screen. Our Simrad screen up here allows us to do engine data. We can also do chart plotting. This will come up here in just a second. We can also do fish finder screen or any combination there within. We have our instrument gauges up top here. So we come down, we can see all of our switches. This boat has the full lighting package. We can turn the interior lights to red, green, blue, also the exterior colors as well. We have lights on the power tower. Our dock light switching is up here. We can also control the tower with a push of a button. And that allows the tower to go up and down for any low bridges. Our digital throttle and shift is on the right. This is one of the nicest boats we've had here at MarineMax this year. Come on down, I'd love to show it to you. Thank you so much.